Hey everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment YO22 Excel Chapter 9 Prepare Data Integration. Its project description is given below. You can read it carefully. Now we will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel, download and open the file name Excel Chapter 9 Prepare Data Integration. 2 of 3. Reader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. I have already opened this file. That's our file. I will make this one enable editing. We will move to our second step. Our second step is a list of customer information on the tournament of golf course. Giveaway has been provided in the Chapter 9 Prepare Delta integration. The data needs to be cleansed before it can be used for the purpose such as analysis or merging to Word document. On registration data worksheet. So we will go to the registration data worksheet. That's our registration data worksheet. What is saying? Use a flash fill to separate the first name from the name column A. So we will use flash fill. Flash fill means when you start and Excel will copy your pattern. That's our flash fill. You see when I type first two, then he is go to the editing tab and here click on the flash fill. Now you see we have got our first name in the column B. That's our step. You will go downside also. It's first name in our column B. That's our second step. Our third step is the date column in C are separated in the data format that Excel can use. The dates in the column C are stored in the date format that Excel can use. In column D, use the flash fill to convert the data in the column C into month, year, a month, day, and year date format. So you will copy this one and paste this one in the column D. So we will go here and we have pasted this one as a column D, and then again this one paste in the column here, and you go to the flash fill and press flash fill. So we have got the our dates in our column. That's registration date that's we got in our column D by flash fill. You will click on this one, and what he is saying date format in the month, day, and year format. So we will get month, day, and year format. So press OK. So it's now applied date format to this column also. That's our third step. Our fourth step is the phone number must provided in the column E are not separated the phone number format. In order to include these phone number in mail merge or other professional formats, they need to be formatted using a hyphen. In column F, use the flash fill to convert the string of the number in the column E to include hyphen in between the 3 digits and the last 4 digits. So for example, like that, you will copy this one and paste it in the column E, F, or you will type here as a 555. Yes, when you will type like that, it's get a decision from you to flash fill. You will press enter. So it's now you get the data from the column E and put a hyphen in between that one in the first 3 digit and last remaining 4 digits. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is the customer name on the cust name worksheet were imported with the non-printable characters, extra spaces, and inconsistent formats. The data needs to be cleaned to appear as a first name, middle name, and last name on the cust name worksheet. So we will go to the cust name worksheet. That's our cust name worksheet. What he is saying, the data need to use the appropriate text function to clean all the non-printing character from the data A column. A resize the column as needed to fit the content. So we will go here. We will put clean function to clean the extra spaces and non-printable characters from this A2 cell. Press enter. So we have got a clean content in our column B. We will copy this formula to downside. So we have got our results. That's our fifth step. We have total 19 steps of this assignment. I have performed 5 steps in this video. I will show you a solution of this file, complete solution, so you will know what we got at the end. You see, that's our final results. Every formula is working. In the email address, we will start from registration data. That's our registration data worksheet. That's our custom worksheet. All the formulas are working, and that's our email worksheet. In the email worksheet also formulas are working. In the member worksheet formulas working. In the lesson worksheet also it's working. And in the invoice worksheet also formulas working and sorted. It's all character are sorted and duplicates are removed. That's our final submission assignment. So if you want to know if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Cengage course, Pearson Plus course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video to get directly in my inbox. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.